Hello everyone, welcome to the introduction of PurpleCube Studio. PurpleCube Studio is one of the integral modules of PurpleCube Analytics as a Service platform, which is an easy to use, drag and drop, browser based user interface to prepare data. Use PurpleCube Studio to build, monitor, and schedule data pipelines. Turn raw datasets into analytics ready with applied data cleansing and transformation rules easily and quickly using serverless data processing and the pushdown architecture by taking advantage of the powerful processing platform. On the extreme left pane of the window is the different studio functionalities helpful to create a successful flow to prepare your data pipeline. Home. This is the dashboard section which displays visual metrics of studio objects and count of various objects belonging to a particular project. Data points. This is used to provide connection details for the source and target system. Data objects. This is the metadata of the physical objects like tables and files. Data flow. The data integration pipelines are developed here using the data points and the data objects. Job flow. This provides the capability to define order and condition based on which data flows should be run. Sequence. Sequence is used to generate unique IDs for each row in a table. Expression is a reusable component where you can create common logic and it can be used for any attribute in transforms in data flow. Data subflow are reusable transformation templates that can be created and used in various data flows to achieve the data manipulation required as per the business logic. Parameter. Project parameters are used to define the parameters that have the scope within the project. These parameters values can be used across all jobs in the job flow and data flows to parameterize various properties in them. Let us also check the different modules available within PurpleCube Studio. Studio to build data pipelines, monitor to monitor the execution of jobs and its operational statistics, scheduler to plan and schedule executions, SQL editor, one single interface to query all your connected databases or applications, eliminates need for specific SQL client tools, admin for management and administrative purpose.